In this video, we're going to review the classifications of the elements. Some groups of the elements on the table have special names that you need to know. The alkali metals are in group 1. The alkali earth metals are in group 2. Groups 3 through 12 are called transition metals because they're a transition from the true metals to the metalloids and the nonmetals. The inner transition metals are these two on the bottom, the lanthanides and actinides. They can also be called inner transition metals, or sometimes they're even called rare earth metals because they are rare in large quantities on this planet. Next, we have the halogens, which are group 17. Remember, halogen means salt former, so think sodium chloride, table salt. Every salt, like table salt, has a halogen in it. Group 18 are called noble gases. Noble because they don't do anything. They don't react in chemical reactions. They are very inert. And then we have the metalloids. These are the hardest ones to identify. They are the elements that sit above and below that black staircase that you have drawn through your reference table, with the exception of aluminum. We have boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, and sometimes polonium. It depends on the source. So summary here. Group 1, you need to know are alkali metals. Group 2 are the alkaline earth. 17 are the halogens. 18 are the noble gases. 3 through 12 are transition metals. And the two rows under the main table are the inner transition metals. And any element that touches the staircase, with the exception of aluminum, is considered a metalloid. These are just things you need to memorize. Most students don't really have much of a problem with these, but you may want to make flashcards or something like that. These are just names that are going to pop up on your tests and quizzes that you need to know. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to classify these elements, not just based on their position on the table, but their SPDF notations, the thing we learned about in Chapter 5.